Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Technophone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Technophone guys sound and vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to set alarm ringtone sound on Techno mobile. Friends, we want to set alarm ringtone sound on Techno mobile, so friends, how to set alarm ringtone sound and how to use it one by one, and friends step by step I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on Techno mobile. Friends, click on Techno mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see vibrate for call setting. Friends, you want to use guys your incoming call vibrate for call setting. Friends, click here always vibrate, so your phone will always vibrate on incoming calls. Friends, you want to use set here vibrate first time, and friends you don't want to use, so click here never vibrate. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see phone ringtone 1, phone ringtone 2, notification default sound setting. So friends, you want to on your notification ringtone sound, and you want to set your notification ring or your phone ringtone, so you can select ringtone and you can set. Friends, we will talk about alarm ringtone. Friends, you can see we don't have alarm ringtone sound, so we will click on alarm, and friends I will use this guy's morning ringtone sound. Friends, you can see alarm ringtone sound will set on our device, and we can use alarm ringtone volume right side increase, left side decrease. So like that friends, you can set alarm ringtone sound on your Techno mobile. And friends, you want to change your alarm ringtone sound, so friends select your new sound and sound will change on our device. Friends, you can see wake up sound will set, and we can increase this volume, left side we can decrease. So like that friends, you can set your alarm ringtone sound setting on your Techno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.